Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of wearable technology with a sleek and feature-packed smartwatch that's been making waves in the market. Let's take a closer look at the smartwatch for men and women by Ddidbi. First impressions count, and this smartwatch certainly makes a statement with its modern design and deep black color. But looks aren't everything, so let's delve deeper into what this device has to offer. Stay connected on the go with the built-in speaker, allowing you to answer calls and enjoy music directly from your wrist. No more fumbling for your phone when you're out and about. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. This smartwatch is packed with essential features to enhance your daily life. From alarm clock and stopwatch functionalities to weather forecasts and sedentary reminders. It seamlessly pairs with most smartphones, becoming an indispensable part of your routine. And let's talk about style. With a vibrant 1.85-inch touchscreen display and over 200 personalized watch face wallpapers to choose from, you can truly make this smartwatch your own. But what about performance? Fear not, fitness enthusiasts. With over 100 sports modes, including walking, running, cycling, and even yoga, this smartwatch diligently tracks your exercise data. From steps taken to calories burned, all while boasting an IP68 waterproof rating. There you have it, folks, the smartwatch for men and women by Ddidbi. With its combination of style, functionality, and affordability, it's truly a game-changer in the world of wearable tech. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, stay connected and stay stylish.